So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your Simplii financial bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, go to the bottom right and press on Wallet, which I'm already on. So if you're on the home screen, go to the bottom right, press on Wallet. On this page right here where it says Banks and Cards, press on Add New, and then press on Banks. Once you're here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see Simplii Financial. If you don't see it, just go to the top search bar right here, type in Simplii Financial, and then press on it. Once you do that, it'll actually redirect you to a new screen right here where you can go ahead and log into your Simplii Financial account. So your card number, your password. Once that is done, press on Agree and Link to go ahead and link your Simplii bank or your Simplii Financial bank account. So that is how to link your Simplii Financial bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.